please hit the subscribe button, and for more videos and updates, hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, my name is Kavya. I'm 9 years old and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make bat and spider hanging. You can use them for your trick or treat to scare people, or you can even use them for your Halloween decoration in your house, as I'm going to. So first I'm going to show you all the supplies we need to make this hanging bat and spider. So the most important thing is a paper. You'll only need one sheet of paper for both. Actually it depends on the size you're going to make. For the size I have made, you'll need only one sheet of paper. Then you'll need a pencil, scissors, thread to hang your bat and spiders with, and a hole puncher. So first, take your sheet of paper, fold it in half. Then again fold it in half. So now you will have this square shape. Now open. You can make the folds a little tighter. Now open and open. Then take your scissors and cut the paper in half. Again I'm showing you the size of paper you'll need to make this bat and spider. The size I've made. You can vary your size. So I'll use 1/2 for the spider and I'm going to use this half for the bat. So fold it back. Now you'll have a square, but it will be like a book. Now hold it like this. It should be like a book. How you open a book and close like that. Then grab a pencil and start sketching your bat. The half side of your bat. Now remember, don't sketch the whole bat. So I'm just going to show you how the half bat will look. So how you'll basically be sketching it. So you should sketch something like this. Now I'll quickly sketch this in. So now you can see my half sketched bat. Now I'll go in and cut out the bat. Now I have my bat cutted out. And tada! When you open it, you have a nice little bat. Now grab your hole puncher and insert your bat in on this puncher hole. Try to put it in the center on this point. I'll just mark the point where you should try to make it around. I've just marked the hole, as you can see here. So try to make a point there. Go and grab your thread and cut a piece as long as you want. So remember that you'll be folding in your piece. Now go here and tie these two ends together. Now it's like I have a loop here. A cat scrattle thread. Now go in your bat and put these two extra hanging ends in. And then try to take it inside the knot. So, hope you can see the knot here. And tie another knot. Actually tie now 2 knots. So, 1 knot and 2 knots. And now go in and cut the 2 extra little hanging edges here. Don't cut out the knot. And then you'll have your bat hanging. Now I'll show you how to make the spider hanging. In the spider hanging, I'll just show you how you can sketch the spider out very easily. Start sketching half side of your spider, half. A spider has 8 legs, so you'll have to sketch out 4. And see, now my sketch is a little messy. Go on and cut it out now. Well, I'll just roughly cut around the spider. And then go in every tentacle, maybe, whatever that, hands, legs. I hate spiders, so I don't know much about spiders. So that's how to make bat and spider hanging. Woo! Happy Halloween! Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye. Happy Halloween again. Bye.